Hi, my name is Stephanie Campbell. I'm the food service director at Columbus Academy. This is my daughter Sophia Campbell. She's a 5th grader at Columbus Academy. Today we're making General Tso's chicken.
And General Tso's chicken is one of the most popular chickens that my mom and her coworkers make at CA.
Yes. So this is all our mise en place. These are all our ingredients that go into the dish. We're gonna make the sauce. This is the chicken broth, which the recipe is gonna tell you a concentrated chicken base, but at the grocery store it's easier to get chicken broth. So you're just gonna use the same amount of the water that is called for in the recipe, and you're gonna use the chicken broth. We have soy sauce. Yeah. We have apple cider vinegar. We have granulated sugar in these 2 bowls here. We have our sesame oil. Okay, we have our cornstarch slurry, which is cornstarch mixed with water. We have our sriracha, which makes it spicy. And we have a garlic clove that we're gonna dice up. Other ingredients are the rice, the jasmine rice. Follow the directions on the bag. Make sure that you rinse the rice out really well and make sure it runs clear, like the water through it runs clear. There's a lot of starch in this kind of rice, so just follow the directions on the bag. We also have the popcorn chicken that we're going to show you in a minute how to fry up. So let's start with our garlic clove. So you're going to take the back of your knife and you're going to smack it on the cutting board, and it should take the peel right off. Yep.
Makes it easier.
Yep, the peel comes right off when you do that. You cut the end off. And then we're going to
dice it up into small pieces.
Yeah, dice it up however you're used to dicing it, but this is how I dice it. Just watch your fingers. Yeah, you can dice it into small pieces, and then just make sure it's really fine. You don't really want big chunks in your sauce. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the stove here in a minute, and all the ingredients pretty much just gets mixed together. And once it comes to a boil, that's when we add our cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce, and then the sauce is ready. The sauce is actually pretty easy to make. So, all right, so let's just take our pan and bring it over here and add all our different ingredients. Sophie, can you get me the whisk from over there, please?
Be careful.
Yep, I'm good, thank you, honey. All right, we're gonna add our sugar.
You stir it well. Let's say thoroughly.
Thoroughly, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna add everything together. And sesame oil, yep. Good. And we need the garlic. Okay. And the sriracha. Okay. So now we're gonna go to the stove and we're gonna get this.
Be careful.
Yep. Thank you. We're gonna turn the heat up on this. And with a whisk, you're just gonna cook this until it boils. Sophie, you wanna get me the cornstarch slurry, please? So this is gonna take a few minutes to get hot. In our other pan back here, we have our rice that we have ready to go. Once it's ready, that's what it looks like. And we have our oil on the side here. That's getting warm, so we can start frying the chicken. Okay, now that I have it all mixed in here, I'm gonna add some crushed red pepper flake. And it's really to taste, so if you like it more spicy, you'll add more. We don't like things too spicy in our house, so I think that's good for me. If you like it even more spicy, you can add more sriracha than what we put in, than what the recipe calls for.
Yep.
So now that your items here are starting to boil.
Should I take a spoon?
Yep, thank you. We're gonna take the slurry, which make sure that you mix it up right beforehand, because the cornstarch likes to dissolve and go to the bottom of the container.
Sink.
Yep, put it in the sink. So you're gonna slowly add the cornstarch slurry, making sure to whisk as you do it so it doesn't get clumpy. Always use cold water when you're making your slurry. If you use hot water mixed with a hot sauce, you'll have clumps. So I like to go slow to make sure it doesn't get too thick. And then once you add it all in, you let it cook for a few minutes, and then you can turn it off and your sauce is ready to go. Okay, so this is what the sauce should look like when it's finished. It's nice and boiling, it's getting thick.
Be very careful.
Yeah, be very careful because this is extremely hot. With the sugar in here, it's just extra hot. Okay, so I'm going to lower the sauce, and now I'm gonna go over
The oil.
and start frying my chicken. So you wanna make sure that the oil is, oh yeah, see. Okay, so we're gonna, no, it's too hot, honey.
Well, I just want to dump it.
So we're gonna put our chicken in. You don't want it to be too hot. So the chicken I'm using is the Appetizer Tyson popcorn chicken. It's very, very similar to what we use at school.
Make sure you have like a drainer thing so you're not
Yep,
just-
and a plate. You want to get me a plate out?
This one?
Actually, I can use that. Nope, I'll use that bowl right behind you, honey.
Oh, okay.
So you're gonna keep frying this chicken. If you have a thermometer, it'd be a great idea to temp the chicken internally to make sure it reaches 165 degrees. That's the safe temperature for chicken. Hey, you can get it. It's in that container.
Have a bunch of thermometers.
See how it's starting to golden brown? You just want to make sure it's cooked inside though. Now I am taking them out of the fryer oil, which this is just vegetable oil in here. You can also, if you prefer, you can bake these chickens if you like it a little less fat.
Oh, that's crispy.
Yeah, we like it crispy. I also doubled the sauce recipe because we like extra sauce on ours. So some of the bigger pieces of chicken take a little longer than the small ones, so just be careful. And just keep doing this until you have cooked all the chicken that you're gonna eat. So now we have our fried chicken and we have our sauce. And we're gonna coat it. It's nice and saucy. We're gonna put our rice in the center of our plate. And we're going to top it with our chicken.
And there you have your jasmine rice and General Tso's chicken.
That's right. Thank you, everybody.